Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for crab pasta. For this recipe you'll need linguine, lump crab meat, fresh lemon juice, flour, butter, shallots, Cajun seasoning, fresh basil, minced garlic, chicken stock, dry white wine, olive oil, and heavy cream. Begin by boiling the pasta per package instructions just before al dente, slicing the shallots, chopping the basil, and prepping the lemon. Next, melt the butter in an 11-inch cast iron skillet or pan over medium heat and stir in the olive oil. Once the butter is completely melted, add the fresh minced garlic and sauté until aromatic, about 2 to 3 minutes. Whisk the flour into the garlic butter mixture, followed by the sliced shallots. Slowly pour in the heavy cream, continuously whisking to create the base of the crab pasta sauce. Once you have whisked all of the cream in, slowly whisk in the chicken stock, followed by the wine. Let the creamy sauce simmer and thicken for about 6 to 7 minutes. Don't be concerned if it still looks a bit runny. Once the pasta is added, it will also thicken the sauce. Stir in the Cajun seasoning, fresh basil, and lemon juice. Then add the crab meat, continuing to simmer until the crab is heated. Just a quick reminder before we continue with the recipe, don't forget you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Lastly, add the cooked linguine and serve with an extra squeeze of lemon juice topped with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your crab pasta turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.